Yo, what's up and welcome to the walking trails here in the Long Meadow Farms, Richmond, Texas. A perfect spot to enjoy movement, fresh air, and fitness that fits your lifestyle. The shaded paths near Winston Pkwy and Idlewind Drive are some of the best routes for staying cool while getting your steps in. Start your walk at a comfortable pace. Breathe deeply and let your body warm up. Once you've found your rhythm, let's build in some strength. Add a few walking lunges every couple of minutes. They're great for your legs, glutes, and balance. Keep your chest up, step long, and control each movement. These small bursts turn your walk into a powerful leg workout. Now let's take advantage of the benches along the route. Start with tricep dips to strengthen your arms and shoulders. Now we're gonna move into some bodyweight squats. I want you to keep your core tight and knees in line with your ankles. Next, I want you to try to push-ups with your hands on the back of the bench for a modified upper body challenge. Each move adds variety and intensity, helping you tone while you walk. And last, I want to finish up with some light stretching. Focus on your calves, quads, shoulders, hamstrings, whichever muscles you feel needs more stretching, okay? A few minutes of flexibility work helps prevent soreness and keeps your body balanced. Remember, fitness doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be consistent. I'm Carlos with Ask the Health Coach. Thanks for joining me on the trails of Long Meadow Farms. See you on the next walk.